WRI-2 Mexico City's Autodromo Hermanos Rodriguez complex has emerged intact from the massive 7.1 magnitude earthquake which hit the city on Tuesday. While there are perhaps more important pieces of infrastructure to worry about, the facility has been carefully looked at as the Mexican Grand Prix, which takes place on October 29, is just 5 weeks away. No structural damage to the complex or to its immediate surroundings has been found. There is no damage to the circuit. It was examined completely, a circuit spokesperson told Motorsport.com. We released all our personnel from work so they can spend some time with their families, but the moment everybody is back we will continue with the setup of the circuit for the Grand Prix. Sergio Perez pledges support to Mexico after disaster quake. Tuesday's earthquake was the most powerful since the one that struck Mexico City in 1985. Oddly, that tragedy, which killed thousands, also occurred on the day of September 19, 32 years ago. Dozens of buildings have collapsed, including more than 40 in Mexico City alone, and citizens and rescue workers have been working through the rubble in search of survivors. Mexico's President Enrique Pena Nieto has called for calm as the authorities assess the damage, while world leaders have expressed their sympathy and offered support to Mexico. Force India's Sergio Perez was also quick to pledge support to his homeland, donating $170,000 million to help victims of the catastrophe. Gallery. The beautiful wives and girlfriends of F1 drivers keep up to date with all the F1 news via Facebook and Twitter.